Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to become a paid subscriber on Substack. Now if you want to become a paid subscriber on Substack but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to become a paid subscriber on Substack, make sure that you have installed the app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, then you need to simply open the App Store or Play Store on a device and you need to simply search Substack and install the app. So after installing the app, you need to simply tap on the Substack and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Substack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So to become a paid subscriber, you need to open the Substack app and go on the option of newsletter. So to become a paid subscriber, you need to search for the creator you want to become a paid subscriber for, and you need to simply search the term which you want. So if you want to become a paid subscriber for him, then you need to click on the option of subscribe, and here you will see the option of subscribe to two Substacks. And if you click on the option of this, then you will see the option of subscribe or upgrade if you are a free subscriber. So if you are a free subscriber, then you will see the option of subscriber upgrade, and you need to select a paid plan, and after doing all of it, you need to complete the payment method and you will be able to be the paid subscriber on the Substack. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.